Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Ilya. And Ilya is 9 months old now. He was 1 month premature, which means he should be compared more to like an 8-month-old child. And Ilya can sit independently, but he falls out of sitting. He can't get into sitting. He can get into hands and knees, but he can't crawl. He can stand, but he can't get into standing. So one of the things you want to work on is start working on strengthening the sides of the trunk so that when he is sitting uneven, that he can keep his balance. So, oh, you've got it on your foot? How fun is that? Your mom was just talking about how strong your feet are. So I am sitting and intentionally having one leg downhill so that he's having to lean uphill toward the uphill side. I've got the opposite leg behind him just to give him a little bit more support. It would be harder if I did not have that leg uphill behind him. So it would look more like that, probably not in the mouth. Because we know he had a torticollis, he'd be at risk for one side being weaker, so we just want to check both sides. I'm going to drop one knee. We're going to get that out of the mouth. And there you go. Looks like both sides, he's, whoa. This side might be a little trickier. Yep. So I always check both sides just to see if one side is harder than the other. And looks like this side, he's not leaning toward the uphill side, he's leaning downhill a little bit more. There you go. There you go. So this side might be the side to practice a little bit more. Not in the mouth. I hope this is a helpful idea to work on sitting balance for kids who are not sitting perfectly well and are still falling out of sitting a little bit. Just to work on challenging their balance just in the way that you're holding them as they sit on your lap. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.